What is the keto diet?
The keto diet is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate eating plan. Its goal is to shift your body's energy source from carbs to fats by putting you into a state called ketosis. This means you'll be burning fat for fuel instead of sugar from carbs. People follow the keto diet for weight loss, improved energy, and other health benefits.
How does the keto diet work?
By eating very few carbohydrates and more fats, your body enters ketosis. In ketosis, your liver turns fat into ketones, which become your main energy source. This process can help with fat loss and may stabilize blood sugar. However, reaching ketosis requires consistently limiting your carb intake, usually to around 20 to 50 grams per day.
What foods are allowed on keto?
On the keto diet, you can eat meats, fish, eggs, healthy fats like olive oil, non-starchy vegetables, nuts, and some dairy products. Foods to avoid include bread, pasta, rice, potatoes, and most fruits. The idea is to load up on low-carb foods and cut back on anything high in sugar or starch.
What should beginners watch out for?
Starting keto can lead to a temporary phase called the keto flu, with symptoms like headache or fatigue. Stay hydrated and don't forget to eat enough salt and minerals. It's also important to plan your meals to stay within your desired carb limit. Consulting a healthcare expert before making major dietary changes is a good idea.
Is the keto diet right for everyone?
While many people find success with the keto diet, it isn't for everyone. Those with certain health conditions or dietary restrictions should use caution. The diet can be difficult to maintain long-term and may not fit every lifestyle. Always consider your personal health needs and talk with a professional before starting.